guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Esther. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the video today. I am at Walgreens trying to put together a few deals. It is Monday, so I am starting late, but I did see this on YouTube and I wanted to give it a try. I'm not even sure which products are included, but the Old Spice, they are on promotion for when you buy 3, you're gonna get back $5 in Walgreens cash. And from what I understand, it's also working for the P&G promotion, and we do have $5 back on Ibotta when you buy 2. Now we also have the deodorant as well. I'm gonna say they probably are on the same promotion. So what I'm gonna try to do is pick up 2 of these. I didn't even check to see if we have coupons. I'm gonna check to see if we have coupons. And then we also have rebates for the deodorants as well on Ibotta. Right, so I checked the ad and I didn't see any coupons attaching to these. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up 2. I guess I can mix and match since I'm not working with any coupons, but I do like this Fiji smell as well as the moisturize. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick this one up. Okay, so I checked again. The only coupon that's coming up is a $2 for this one here. That is the aluminum free one, so the 0 aluminum. There is a $2 coupon for this one, but like the regular ones, like the Fiji, the $6 ones here, they don't have a digital coupon attaching to them. So I think what I might do is, since it is a $6 or $2 difference, so I just might go ahead and get the Fiji there. Let me scan them as well just to be sure that they are both attaching to the Ibotta rebate. So yes, just to confirm, the $2 both of the rebates, both of the deodorants are attaching to the rebates here. So each one of them are working, so I'll get back $10 for buying well, $5 in Ibotta for the body wash and $5 for the deodorant, as well as $5 coming back. So after coupons and the rebate, they're gonna come out to $2.75 a piece. So I'm rethinking it, but here's the deal that I also wanted to do. But this store does not carry the fine fragrance axe. They have the regular axe, because we do have Ibotta rebates for the fine fragrance. But I'm gonna go ahead and do this deal because I'm trying to complete some fetch rebate. These are on sale: buy 1 get 1 half off. So buy 3, you get back $5 for register rewards. I'm gonna go ahead and just buy 3, even though you can submit back to the coupons.com to Shopmium, Alexa, or my points back for points. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab 3 of them, and then I'm gonna submit back to Fetch, just so that I can complete that one. I went ahead and I grabbed the Tresemme. They are $6, 2 for $12, and we do have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon. And then when you buy 2, you're gonna get back $5 in register rewards. I think I'm gonna go ahead and scratch this deal for the Old Spice for now. I'll let you guys know if I end up grabbing it. Pick up 4 of the Crest mouth toothpaste. They are $4. If you can find the $3 ones, that'd be great. My store only have 2 left, and there's no more toothbrushes that I can see. Well, they do have the $3.50. I actually don't need to. Well, I do, but anyways, here I'm not gonna mix and match because I know sometimes the coupon don't come off. But I'm gonna grab 4 of these. Buy 4 get back 6, and we still have these items on promotions as well. And I think these are $12.99. Oh, you can't see the tag, but they're a part of the promotion for when you spend 12, you're gonna get back $6 in register rewards. So I'm gonna go ahead and add it so that I can do the P&G deal there. I'm gonna go ahead and put these back for now until I figure out what I want to do. All right, you guys, I won't show you what I just did. Well, actually, I will show you. I just picked up some stuff from the trash. Look at what I found. Oh my gosh. Look at what I found from the trash. This is so sad. I'm actually trying to watch the guy who's taking out the trash because I'm kind of cool with him. So I could let him, hey, can I pick through the trash? Look, y'all. This is a 10 when you spend 20. 9 when you spend 40. Oh my gosh. I'm actually working on this account on a spend my weekly booster. Okay, spend 20, get 5. I just did that and I was like, oh my gosh, hopefully I don't get caught. Anyways, spend 20, get 5. And then I'm tracking for spend 50 6 times to get back 50 in Walgreens. So far I am at $57.22. And I'm trying to get my total over the $70 mark so that I could use 20 in Walgreens cash. I was looking for the gain that are $1.99, and then buy one get buy two get $1 back. They're all out. Another alternative is to pick these up. They're $1.24. Buy 2, you'll get back $1 in Walgreens cash. I'm sorry, in register rewards. But there are a few other things that I'm looking to pick up. We do have the Purex. They're buy one get 2 free, but they're $8.99. $8.99. Oh my gosh, these are 50 ounces. What? They're $8.99. I won't pick them up. But I was also watching on Michelle's channel, My Own Identity, that these the Tide products in the gain are not printing the buy 4 get back 5. And so I think I'm gonna play it safe and not pick that up. Even though I was planning on doing 2 transactions, but I think I just might do the one and call it a day. So, but anyways, here's the all. They are $4.99, and then I believe we do have coupons, and then Ibotta is giving back $2. So I'm gonna go ahead and add it because I'm just trying to get my total over $70. I don't know what else I'm gonna grab. I'll let you guys know. The app, and we do have $1 digital for this product right here. Okay, so here's a good deal that you could do. I have already used my $5 digital coupon, but it's still a good deal. The Poise are 2 for $14 or $7.99 each. We did have a $5 off of 1 digital coupon and a 3 off of 2. So I've already used my $5 off of 1. However, we do have $2 rebate for the pads that you can go ahead and get, and we do have $1 rebate for the liners as well. And then we do have Fetch, not Fetch, I'm sorry, probably Fetch, but Shopkick rebate as well. So the liners are giving you back 550 kicks, and then the pads are giving you back I think it's 1350 kicks for a total of 1900 kicks, which comes out to $7.60. So if you grab both of these, submit to Ibotta with the 3 off of 2, your total is gonna be about 40 cents after rebates. So I don't know if I'm gonna grab it yet. I'll show you guys my receipt. Okay, so here's a deal I'm gonna try, and credits go to, I always get her channel wrong, but Film and Couponing. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try. We have the Airborne on sale. They are buy 1 get 1 half off, and then buy 2 get back $5 in register reward, and that's also a store coupon. So you're gonna make sure that when you're using that coupon, you don't roll it into a spend deal. For me, I'm doing it because I have a couple of coupons for the Airborne. So the actual, oh, this is what I'm looking for right here. So there is a rebate on, I'll have to put the link below, I can't remember, but you got to go find it. It's online, and then on their website, where you can submit back for a $10 gift card, I want to say, when you spend 30. So for me, I've got 4 coupons. I've got an only for you coupon, which is a $5. I've got a $4 and 2 $3 coupon. Now I highly doubt that all 4 coupons are gonna come off, so I'm gonna plan for that as well. And I also forgot to mention that we do have a rebate back on Swagbucks. I believe if it's still there, I did this last week, and I think there are buy 2 and you get back $8 and from Swagbucks. And you can also do it from My Points or Inbox dollars as well. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up 4 of the items that are priced at $10.99 each. I'm gonna try to pick up different items so that the the coupons can attach. So I'm actually gonna try to pick up items that I think I'm gonna use. So or somebody else could use. Actually, I like this elderberry, but it is $18.99. It's just too much for my pocket. So I'm gonna go ahead and pass on that, but I'm gonna try to pick up another $10.99 item, or $10.49 rather. These are the 4 products that I'm grabbing. They are $10.49 each, so they come out to $31.97. Hopefully I get all of the coupons. So after all the coupons come off, I should pay $16.47. Let's try again. So after the coupons come off, I should pay $16.47, and then I'm gonna submit back to Swag Bucks, hopefully to get back $16, and then I'll get back $5 for buying 2, as well as the $10 coming back, guys. So my total comes out to $102, which is perfect because I'm gonna end up using $50 in Walgreens cash. And then as far as coupons, I have $5 coming off here, $4 off the crust, $3 off the poise, $4 off the axe, $5, $4, and $3 coming off here. After everything, I should pay $19 and some change, and then I'm gonna get back $5 printable, 2 $6 ones, and the $5 for the PNG, $5 for the axe, $5 for the airborne, and then I'm gonna submit back to the rebate apps for $7.60 here, hopefully about $3 on fetch, $16 on the airborne, plus the $10. I'll let you guys know how that works. And a side transaction, I'm not gonna go ahead and build up in that transaction. I'm tired. I've been in here for too long. I'm gonna go ahead and pick these 2 up. Actually, no, I'm gonna wait. I might just get this one, and then I'm gonna wait because I might need this for another spend deal. So I'm gonna put these kind of buenos back. But these are $1.29, and then we do have a $3 coupon, so leaving the 3 to be 87 cents. All right, guys. So here is my long receipt. Very long. All right, so a couple of things to go over based on what I mentioned in store. So here is the airborne products. So $10.49, $10.49, $5.24 each. The axe, buy one get one half off there. The Tresemme, so I switched out the Tresemme for the $7 product instead of the 6. So the cashier let me know that the 2 for $12, they're not printing the $5 coupon, the $5 manufactured register reward. Only the $7 products that are actually tagged are. So I went ahead and I switched it out. Plus film and couponing had mentioned that when she purchased it, it wasn't working. But yesterday I did a deal picking up the mousse. I did it on a different transaction and it worked. So I'm glad the cashier mentioned that it's not printing on the shampoo and conditioner. So I switched that out. Here is the 4 Crest products, the All, the 3D whitening kit, the other axe. So what I ended up doing was throwing in the All, because I wasn't gonna throw that in, and then using a 20% off coupon. So that came off the axe there, and as well as the boys, because these are regularly priced items too. All right, so I haven't actually gone over my receipt to see what came off, so let's do this together. So 20% took off $4.10. So bad news, I'm so sad, because those boosters I picked up in the trash, they expired on the 3rd. One was like back in August. I don't know where they've been sitting. Ew. All right, y'all. So crushed my joy there. And then I used this register reward, so 6, 6, and a 5. I did use another $3 register reward. It kicked it out again. I'm not sure why, but I've had like a few ones kicked out. So I paid a little bit more than I wanted to. So all right, so coupons, let's see what came off. So what we got here, e-coupon, $6 off of 4 for the Crest, $5 I'm gonna say for the Tresemme, $5 for the airborne, $4 for the airborne, $4 for the axe, $3 for the poise, $3 for the airborne, another $3 for the airborne, $1 for the all. So let me just make sure that everything came off. I believe everything did come off. Whoop, whoop, whoop. All right, no issues there. So subtotal came out to $56. I'm sorry, $54. So had the $3 manufacturer register award came off, I would have been down to $1.56. Anyways, used $50 in Walgreens cash, paid the $6.56 out of pocket. It didn't show me the points, but I'll put it up on the screen. I got a total of $17. And so she was kind enough to give me a $5 point booster that was just laying around. So I got $5 for that, $5 for spending 20. That would have given me 10. And I'm not sure where the 7 came from. The only other thing where I thought the 7 would have came from is the Airborne, because they are part of that promotion for health and wellness. So that's what I'm thinking it is from. I'm not actually sure. So I'm going to say it's for that. But I had already used that booster if I'm remembering properly. So, but I got back $17 there. So I spent a whole lot of points out of pocket. Not out of pocket. I spent a whole lot of points, but I only got like 17. So about $33 there. And as far as I got back, here's $5. Hold on, you guys. This is challenging. Very challenging. I'm gonna be going home soon. So I came from work, I got home, I cooked, and I told my hubby, I said, I'll be back, babe, because his car is getting fixed. So he ended up taking me to work, dropping me home, picking me up. And then I got home and I got to cooking, and I was like, I'll be back. I gotta go to the store because I have a way that I shop. If I miss a day, then I don't hit all of my accounts. Okay, yeah. Anyway, so $6 for buying 4, I'm gonna say. $6 for the spending 12. $5 for the Unilever. That's for the Tresemme. There. $5 for Unilever. I'm gonna say this is for the Axe. Here is the $5 P&G coupon, and then here is the $5 store coupon for the Airborne product. So another couple of things to mention. I submitted my receipt back to Fetch. I didn't get the points for the Axe, so I went ahead and I corrected my receipts. So hopefully they'll be able to get that fixed up for me. And I also checked on my points, Inbox dollars as well as swag bucks. That rebate for the Airborne is no longer there. Instead, there is a coupon reimbursement, which I could probably try to submit for on either one of them. And I'm also going to submit back to ShopMe for $4 back on the Axe. So scratch that. $16 coming back from my points or Inbox dollars or swag bucks. It's no longer there. And I'm gonna submit back for the $10 on here. And also check your mail. I received 2 $15 gift cards today from the Activate Rewards. For the Listerine deal that I did a little while back. And I also got a $10 from the P&G. I left those at home, but that's that. So anyways, guys, this is all I have for you guys. CVS is right across the street. I'm gonna go across the street to pick up some Crest and some Colgate. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like share the video and subscribe. All right, you guys, bye bye.